Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was shot way back, literally in February, the week I got back from Daytona, and this is the last video that I recorded that is literally in the vault right now that I want to put out for you guys. I was all over the place the last several months, and I really want to know what you guys want me to do. So I've been noticing that, I only have almost 5,000 subscribers. I've been doing it for almost 300 videos. We'll be coming up on video 300 in like 8 more videos, which is a big deal to me. I realized I didn't post as much as I actually thought I did, and I thought my growth wasn't as quickly as a lot of other people. But when you look at the statistics, a lot of people that have 5,000 or more have a lot more than 293 videos. So at this point in time, we know that social media is taking a turn, and YouTube as well. A lot of people are watching more shorts and things like that. So I really want to know what you guys that are my OG supporters here want me to do. If you guys really do want me to continue to put out long videos and do it almost once a week, or try to do it once a week, let me know down below in the comments. Please let me know your feedback. I put a lot of content, hard work, sweat, and tears into this channel, but I really don't know what to do with it anymore. Like, I want to continue to give education. I do have a lot of you guys, watching, but it's not the numbers that I thought at this point I would have. And it's not even just me. It's a lot of hairdressers that do YouTube are also taking a hit as well. And I think it's because Instagram has gotten so big with Reels and the shorts. So I want to know down below, should I continue to put out longer videos here at the channel? If you guys still want me to, I will. Also leave in the comments what exactly you want to see, because right now it's a fresh slate. When I put this video up, I have no videos recorded right now. I have a busy next couple of weeks coming up, but I want to know what you guys want to see. Even if I have to take days where I bring in models and do things that are different, I do specialize in blondes, so I just film my clients and what I do behind the chair in a normal work day. So if you guys like seeing that still, then leave your opinion there as well. I want to know. So this is my client. She's been with me for a while now. And as you can see, this is a unique situation. She does half of her head black and the other half we do blonde. She was doing lightener on the scalp. It could be a little damaging. It could be a little jarring because a lot of the times you'll get banding, where you see a lot of different pigments of yellow. You can see the hair gets healthier towards the ends. It gets a little bit more orange. I feel that foil work is a little bit better, more consistent of a lift. It doesn't band out or do crazy things. You can go a little bit longer. She comes every 2 to 3 months. So I'm just showing you guys what we do on her. I go in and I foil her all over, and I consider this a sinful half foil because we're doing half the head. This side's a little bit bigger than the other side. She parts a little weird off the middle, a little towards off of the middle, so it's not a middle part is what I mean. So, and then once I get through and I do all of the foils, and I mean back-to-back sinful technique, no subsections, just whatever's left out of my stitch, sinful stitch, of course, almost slicing. And that gives us a really close look to solid, and we will tap her a little, because another reason it's not good to do bleach and tones on someone who's really dark naturally, and she's really not that dark. She's like a level 5, but they're not always going to lift to that perfect level 10. So even if you're doing a bleach and tone, you should tone for even results, because that fresh root is not going to lift to the ends that have been pre-lightened on multiple times. So that's where I think that doing it in foil work and then doing it with a nice little shadow is really best. In this video, I do believe I'm using my Ride or Die Joico Blonde Life with 20 volume and a 1/16 ounce of Olaplex. I'm a liar. This day I was using the Joico Defy Damage Part 1 Pro Series, and I don't know if I told you guys in the last couple of videos, but I found out I was highly allergic and didn't know it for 2 months. Thought I was dying from a lymphoma or some kind of blood cancer. No joke. Felt like things were crawling in my veins. It was really traumatic for me, but that's what it was. I was allergic just to the Part 1, and it sucks because it was so good, but I did prep her hair with the Joico Defy Damage Pro Series 1. Sorry, it's been a long time for this video, guys. I'm looking at my notes right now. That's exactly what I did. As you can see, this part right here is a great example of what I want to talk about really quick. When I said that when people have darker bases, they do not always lift to a level 10, or inside of a banana, perfect 10 or 9. You can see she has fresh root, and then we see that orangey level right after it that I am taking the lightener down through. Now, this is a question I get all the time on videos, is why do I bring the lightener down further than just the root? Some people do not lighten to that perfect level the first time through. And also there's always that little bit of subsection. So I go in and I touch the root, and then I go into where the old subsection from last time was. And when somebody has a darker base or doesn't lighten as well, I also kick out that band of orange. If you can see right there, I bring it right down to there, stop it, and kick those ends out. Even though the ends are getting a little bit more yellowy, I know the toner will still help that for now. Eventually you do have to do, like, you know, a wet balayage or a bleach wash at the bowl or stuff like that. But if I didn't go in there and do that, it would be a nice shadow, a real orange band, and then the blonde end. Sorry guys, a lot of people around me talking. I'm trying to get this video done for you guys. I've been very busy lately, so if you hear anybody in the background, please just ignore that. So we're going to go in and continue to foil up until we complete everything on this side. And I do not do the black on the other side until her foils are rinsed out. So I let her process for a total of 50 minutes without heat, and then we went in and applied 1B with 10 volume to her right side. Once that 1B with the 10 volume is processing for 20 to 30 minutes, I go in and it allows me to do my soft root tap on her, which is Reckon Shades EQ 7N, 7NA. We're doing that just to basically cut any brass. It is a soft root shadow, which is lighter than her natural base. This will just cancel out anything that didn't lift as well, you know, because it's virgin hair and she's pretty dark based. And then I go and apply her global toner, which is Global Colorants 10V, 10P. By the time I'm done doing all that and let it sit for a few minutes, it's time to rinse everything. I go in and then I rinse off the blonde side, and then we'll clip that. She turns her head very uncomfortably. It's not really, you know, beautiful of a process, guys. It's kind of hard, so think about that when you want to do a split color like this. It's a lot of work that goes into it. And then we rinse the black side afterwards, and then we go and we finish up. So once that all finishes up, we then put my styling products in, give her a nice good blowout, and this is the final result. This is outside. We do get the reflection from the yellow lines on the road. If you follow my Instagram every day and my stories, you know I hate that, but it came out gorgeous, you guys. Let me know down below, like I said, what you want me to do in the future. Should I keep the channel going with the same videos once a week? Should I post more? Like, what do you guys want me to do? I love you all so very much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys. Mwah!